Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan your wine on the Vivino application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this camera icon down below, which is in the middle. Tap on open settings, then you should tap on the camera icon to allow the app to have access to your camera. Then go back to the application. Then you should click on the camera icon again and position the wine label within this frame. Tap on OK and tap on the camera icon, click on use down below, and you will be able to find the results. So you will be able to get to know to your wine, and basically that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.